Hey, my name is Suraj, and I made this app to fill a product gap that I noticed while I was researching about Genie online. Basically, what happens is whenever a user creates a contract that he likes, he then has to download it and then he uploads it to platforms like DocuSign or BoldSign, and then he shares that URL with all the other parties for them to get it signed, and then to also track it, which contract was sent to which person. He has to maintain some sort of a Google Sheets um uh, record to basically track where everything is going. So just to solve that, I made this app. Right now I'm generating a new contract. This pipeline is basic because what I want to focus is what comes after it. uh, so let me fill this prompt. Okay, so I've just written the prompt. In this there are a few things. uh, I'll just name it as NDA. Okay, I'll just add it to demo project. It will generate the contract. A few technical things where while this is generating, whenever we sign up to this app, we create a service email or a transaction email for each user who signs up with us, and that email is actually used for sending and receiving all the emails that we'll send. We don't directly use the Gmail account that the user signs it with, because that is not a very secure way of handling email. So right now we can see the contract is generated. This is a PDF, and we can edit it here as well, right? And we can then save these changes, and based on this we'll have a versioning of the document as well. Okay, so this is there. Now I'll send this to Suraj Bari, and I'll just give my email here. Uh, the thing here is, if this email is actually registered or with us, or is actually a user of our product, then this email will actually land in the product inbox itself. That is the service email of this product. But as a fallback, if this person was not uh, registered with us, then this email would have gone to the Gmail account. So um, um, I'll just send this, and it is also pretty quick. In a few seconds we'll just see the new email here. So the new email is here, right? um, I'll also show you how the threads are classified. So whatever needs your attention will come into needs you category, right? For things that we are waiting on others for, like in this case we are waiting on Swaraj for a review. It will be in this section, and for the contracts that are done and signed, it will be in the done section. And if you have created projects in it, so they will also be basically clustered or grouped by uh, the projects you have. So I'll just open this thread for review. Here we have the document. uh, Now here we have two quick things. We can basically come here and review the document. This is a basic chatbot where we can chat and basically understand what the contract is about, and we can also conversationally edit the document. So I'll try to show something to you. uh, right, so it will say it is a NDA, and then we can also ask it to make changes in this, but it's kind of a long process. I'll just show you the next thing. The next thing is we can just write a email reply back, right? So I'll just write, I need you to So I'll just write this reply and send it back, and based on this we can see we have gotten the reply here, and the AI will basically prompt us about what the person wants us to change, and we can also change the form using AI and just a few tweaks. um, so that is the document part, but this is basically how we are tracking the conversation between multiple parties of reviewing the document and making the changes. Once we are ready, we'll have to prepare this document for signature. We can add other parties to have in the signature process as well. Once that all the parties are decided, we'll just prepare the document, right? uh, so right now we are using the bold sign test API, but it has a few limitations. That is basically it will only work uh, for emails within these domain. The mail.houston.in is the domain that we use, subdomain that we use for our emails and everything else, so it is only going to be there. So I'll just put everything here. It is saying Swaraj Bari because that's my username, and I am assuming the person from GenieAI also, so that's why a little bit of differentiation in the name. But okay, so the document should be sent here for signature, that we can see up in the banner, and now right now it says sign now. I'll just compare the two also, so that just to confirm that each person has to sign his own part of the document and not someone else's. So here we can see I have to sign this part, and the GenieAI signature, which is also my account only, has to sign this box. So I'll just finish. Now this dialog should close because the document version will update, and we can see Swaraj Bari has signed here, right? And here also I'll also just sign it from my own end. I'll sign it here. I'll finish. So once everything is signed, the status box will turn kind of green and we'll have the signed document here. If we scroll down, we can basically see both the signatures, which are not very pretty, and we can also download the executed contract basically. So yeah, this is the total workflow, which I think would be very useful in keeping the user within our product, and also would be a very convenient way of for him to handle all the contracts that he is making. So yeah, please tell me what do you think about this, and thank you for listening so far.